Okay, so this will be the continuation of our discussion. So last time we discussed the arithmetic sequence kung saan makikita yung common difference ay nasa first row or tinatawag natin na first difference. Okay, so ito naman pag-uusapan natin will be the quadratic sequence kung saan makikita yung common difference ay nasa second row or tinatawag natin na second difference. So ito po yung example ng tinatawag natin na quadratic sequence. So we have 2, 3, 5, 8, 12. Take note that our first term here is 2. Second term is 3, third, fourth, fifth, so on and so forth. If we're going to evaluate, kukunin natin yung first difference. So ano yung distance niya? 1. We have 2 here, 3, 4. Kung tatanungin kayo, what will be the sixth term? Of course, mag-add lang kayo ng 5. So, you have 12 plus 5, that is 17. Okay? 17 po yan. Okay, so ayun nga, the sixth term here, of course, mag-add lang tayo ng 5 and so on and so forth. If we're going to want to find out the next term, mag-add tayo ng 6. Okay? So, ito po yung tinatawag natin na first difference. Okay? Kung titingnan natin, hindi po siya common. Okay, so nag-add tayo ng 1 at nag-increase po siya ng 1. So, ito po yung tinatawag natin na first difference. So, quadratic po siya kasi yung second difference or yung common difference, ito po yung sinasabi natin na common difference. We have 1, 2, and 3, 1, 3, and 4, 1, 4, and 5, 1, 5, and 6, and 1. Ito yung tinatawag natin second difference. Okay, so we have here, so we have 1/2 n squared. Okay, bakit 1/2 n squared? Okay, so because the rules of quadratic sequence, we need to divide to 2. We need to divide into 2 the second difference. So the second difference here, so we have 1. So 1 n squared, multiply po natin sa 1/2. So that will be 1/2 n squared. So ito na yung magiging first part ng ating formula. So paano po natin matatapos yung formula? So in this case, ang gagawin natin, isosolve po natin yung another sequence, okay? Para makuha natin yung kadugtong ng formula na ito. So out from this formula, we're going to use this one, 1/2 n squared. So substitute the value of n from the first, second, third, fourth, so on and so forth. Okay, so in this case, ito po yung term natin. So n refers to the first term. Okay, the term 1. Okay, or yung sinasabi ko nga ng first term. So we have 1/2 times 1 raised to 2, followed by 1/2 times 2 raised to 2, 1/2 times 3 raised to 2, then 1/2 times 4 raised to 2. Okay, then solve. So you have 1/2, 1 times 1 raised to 2, you have 1. So ayan. So 1 raised to 2 is equal to 1 times 1/2, that is 1/2. Followed by 2 raised to 2, we have 4 times 1/2, that is 2. 3 raised to 2, 9 times 1/2, that is 4 and 1/2 or 4.5. Then 4 raised to 2, that is 16 times 1/2, that is 8. Okay, so ito yung gagamitin natin na formula or na number. So what we need to do, we're going to copy the original sequence. So we have 2, 3, 5, 8, and 12. Then isa-subtract po natin yung na-solve natin out from the first part of the formula. Okay, so ano ba yung first part ng formula natin? So ano yung nakuha natin na result? So you have 1/2, 2, 4, and 1/2. then we have 8, and so on and so forth. So katanggalin natin yung 12. So isa-subtract lang natin. So we have 2 minus 1 half. So we have 1 and 1 half. 3 minus 2, that is 1. And 5 minus 4.5, that is 1 half. 8 minus 8, that is 0. So ano yung napapansin niyo dito, class? Okay? So kung titingnan natin, nag-decrease po siya, okay, ng 0.5 or 1 half. So from this point here papunta dito, that is negative 1 half, negative 1 half, then we have negative 1 half. So yung difference po dito, we have negative 1 half. So titingnan lang po natin, ano ba yung number before ng 1 in 1 half if we're going to use the negative 1 half. So what we need to do, kung papunta dito, nag-decrease tayo ng 1 half, we have negative 1 half. In other words, kung pupunta doon, we're going to add plus 1 half. So you have 1 in 1 half plus 1 half, so the result is 2. In other words, we have positive 2. So what we need to do, just simply combine the first formula followed by the second formula here. Okay, so we have negative 1 half n and followed by positive 2. So in other words, the formula will be a sub n is equal to 1 half n squared minus 1 half n plus 2. Ganyan siya. So again, the formula is a sub n is equal to 1 half n squared minus 1 half n plus 2. So ito yun siya. Another example, we have 3, 6, 12, 21, and 33. So example pa rin po ito ng quadratic sequence natin. So hahanapin natin yung first difference. So we have 3 and 6, we have 3, 6 and 12, 6, 12 and 9, that is 12 and 21, that is 9, and 21 and 33, that is 12. So ito po yung first difference natin. And the second difference is 3, 3, and we have 3. Okay? So take note that doon sa first part po ng formula natin, pag mahanap natin yung common difference doon sa second row or second difference, anong gagawin natin dito? I-divide natin ng 2. So we have 3n squared times 1 half. So 3 times 1 half. So we have, just simply divide the 3, so you can have 3 halves and squared, or you can have 1 and 1 half. So again, we're going to use this formula, 3 halves or 1 and 1 half and squared. So we have 3 halves times 1 squared followed by 3 halves. We have 2 squared, 3 halves, 3 halves times 3 squared followed by 3 halves, 3 halves, 4 squared. Okay, so i-solve natin ito. So we have 1 squared, that is 1 times 1.5. So 3 halves is also equal to 1.5. Am I right? So what we need to do, multiply 1.5 times 1. So result is 1.5. That is 1.5. Next term natin, so we have 4 times 1.5, 4 times 1.5, that is 6. And next, we have 9. 3 squared is 9, so 9 times 1.5, 13.5. 13.5. And 16, we have 16 times 1.5, that is 24. Okay, so again, pag-solve na natin ito using the first part of the formula. Ito yun siya, first part natin. So we solve, we got here, so 1.5, 6, 13.5, and 24. So